Right, over here we have some salts that have been dissolved in water. We're using deionized water, and this is the only one that hasn't got water in yet. Oops, I've got a bit much there. And if I shake it like that, I shake it downwards, then you can see that it dissolves very nicely. That's a little bit more than I needed. Now, over here we have a carbonate salt in the form of sodium bicarbonate, cooking soda. So my first test is for a carbonate. When I add acid, it forms carbon dioxide. You can see it bubbles up and froths over. This test tube is full of carbon dioxide, and this has got clear lime water. I stick this in and I suck up some of the carbon dioxide and I bubble it through there. I get a little bit more carbon dioxide and I bubble it through. And as you can see, the clear lime water has turned a milky, murky white. And that's a positive confirmation that the gas that bubbled up here was carbon dioxide. The next three test tubes are the halides: chloride, bromide, iodide. And in this little bottle, I have silver nitrate. So I squash the dropper and I've drawn some up. Now I'm going to put it into my potassium chloride solution. And we will see a precipitate forming of silver chloride. We do the same for the potassium bromide. This precipitate is slightly creamy color. I will show them all three just now. And then finally, the iodide. So we have a precipitate formed in all three of them. The chloride is the whitest of the three. The bromide is a creamy color, and the one that's most yellow is the iodide. And lastly, we have a confirmation test for a sulfate. So I've got hydrogen sulfate in the test tube, and I'm going to use a soluble form of barium. Now, most sulfates dissolve, but barium sulfate does not. So I've got barium chloride, hydrogen sulfate, and when I add that, we get another white precipitate of barium sulfate.